advantage of moves that I see that may happen in the future. Okay, it's not a game of perfect, folks. I'm going to make bad plays. I'm not necessarily going to say that they're mistakes. Okay, we're going to make trades that do well. We're going to make trades that don't do well. Okay, I don't want to focus in and dwell on the stuff that doesn't do well. Okay, and neither do you. Think about it. Okay, do you want me to keep? We get into a play like let's see here, an Akamai last week or a Riverbed last week, which we were in for a little while, and they got slammed after earnings. Okay, we made a play, a bi-directional play, a volatility play on Fossil. That didn't work. Cliffs was a call, a vertical that didn't work for us. What point is it for me to spend time explaining what happened? Okay, these were binary type moves, binary type plays. I tell you all that in front of the play. Okay, your responsibility is to make a decision on whether you want to make that play with me or not. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm fully aware of what the risk is. I'm not going overboard, but the point is that we got a binary move. Look, I mean, we were in LinkedIn, right? That was a great win for us, and it's moved even higher since I got out of the trade. Does it matter to me? Do I even care? No. Okay, we took ours. We're gone, and we're moving forward. Okay, just like when you have a loser, those things happen. It comes with it's part of the territory. Okay, I'm not going to spend my time drudging up, plays that went against us when I have other things to do and focusing in on the next trade. Okay, so I just want to say that, clear that up front, because lately I've been getting a little bit of feedback from some people saying, well, what happened here? Why did this happen? Can you explain that one? I'm not going to explain why a company's earnings came out the way they did. Okay, these things happen, and we take a shot with him, and based on what I see on the charts, and if it works out, great. If it doesn't work out, take what you can off the board if you can, and then you just move on. Move on. Okay? Find that next trade. All I care about is what's happening tomorrow. I don't really care as much about what's happening yesterday or what's happening in the here and now. I want to see what's happening tomorrow, and so should you. Okay. Off my rant. Okay, there we go. All right. So let's see now. Let's take a look at. Okay, in all fairness, let's take a look at some good and some bad ideas here. Okay, so let's start with the good. First, solar. Look at this one. Okay, this is one that I was looking at earlier in the week. It had a nice, strong move. We're in this March 30 calls here, which we got in a few, like about a month or so ago. We were in the January calls, and we made a doubler on those. We just rolled them into the March strikes, okay? And this is one that I really think has got some potential. It's one of my stocks of the year. So this is one that I really think has got some good potential to move in a big way, okay? So it had a breakout today. It's had had the highest close it's had since way back here when it broke down in February about a year or so ago, okay? And then we had actually a move from $50 February of 2012, okay? So it's got a little bit of room left to go. It's been picking up some volume. You can see that over here on the bottom right-hand side. It's picking up some momentum as well, too. And I really like the opportunity here with this particular trade. And, we're going to hold on and be patient and see how it unfolds here. So let's see a couple other ones. This was one that we got into a while back, and we rolled into a higher strike recently. We made a really nice killing on this one. This is that Tesoro, okay? And you can see where we got into this trade was prior to this, but you can see this really beautiful breakout over here, okay? We gapped up, and most people would look at that and say, oh, well, there it goes without me, okay? Wrong. This is a trend, folks. This is a trend. This is what sort of thing that we look for, and you cannot be afraid to get yourself on